200% being able to exist. The only agreement we need between God and man, after we get through all of the agreements in the Old Testament, is the covenant, the sacred agreement that is made between God and man through the finished work of Jesus Christ. But whatever one's views are on the pandemic and whatever one's views are on our culture right now, everybody seems to agree on this. We have never been more divided. We've never been more polarized. We've never been more splintered, more fractured as a society. But could we get to a place, if only for a weekend, if only for one conversation, where we're not explaining the problem ad nauseum, but rather we're asking a very different question. Instead of what's wrong, could we just stop for a moment and ask what could be? What's possible?
Not playing.
Yeah.
All right, there's a bat there, and it's like playing baseball. It's similar to that. If you don't put what's going on down there, it's goal for the pitcher.
Abraham has left his servant, and it's just Abraham and Isaac. Everybody look right here. Isaac looks at his daddy and goes, "Where's the lamb?" And his father, looking at his son, just uses some creative, sanctified imagination, goes, "You're it." The choice is, will you trust the word or will you trust yourself? Will you trust the word or will you trust your feelings? Will you trust the word or will you trust your circumstances? Will you trust the word or will you listen to popular opinion? Will you trust the word?